Really?
No, no, go ahead, go ahead.
Okay. All right. So stories goes back. So my dad, 24 years back, my dad was really into this mystical, occult science kind of thing. So he wanted to know what this whole Indian history that's coming, the lineage of gurus and yogis that's been described. What is that? Why it's never part of the temples? Because see, yogis and
Temples are
they are totally different. There are very less god like Krishna who can merge this. So what happened is, due to some personal issue, health issue, my dad, we do not believe, I mean, we kind of try to fix the health issue with the natural remedies, and we do believe in self-healing.
No
So,
believe in, no believe in,
uh,
no believe in.
no, so
They believe in self.
he will translate.
Self.
So what happened is, with this health issue, like my dad started looking out for options, especially was interested in this occult science or mysticism. And that's where he came across one of the newspaper article written by our Vibhakar Dada. And right away he took the article, found the writer, we took the address, called, made an appointment. Next Sunday we were in Gandhinagar at Vibhakar Dada's house.
55.
So I mean it's not that crazy story, but still I'll tell you. You know what we saw is we were sitting outside of his house because it was appointment wise, and it was a 2 hour worth of drive. So what we thought of is from my city to his city we'll go early, maybe traffic this and that. Didn't want to miss the time. We went there to 3 or 4 hours early. So we were sitting outside of his house in the car waiting for our turn to come. So we saw his picture. All of a sudden, this old guru comes out on bicycle, rides the bicycle, and we're like, where is he going? So we just started following him. He's very old. To ride a bicycle in India at this age, that too with this kind of well-to-do guy, it's not that common. We followed him. He went to, he probably drove, ride a bicycle for probably 2-3 miles. And I guess he stopped by a bus station because that's where we used to find flowers, right? Roses, because there you will see people selling the roses. Or he bought some, went back home. I'm like, wow, this guy is down to earth. People are sitting, maybe he ran out of the roses. He went by himself, riding a bicycle, coming back. And, I mean, that was impressive. So then after we got our chance, and what he used to have a separate room on his top floor, like
First floor.
third floor, yeah. So that's where he gave, first time he gave sitting to my mom and dad. We were too young, so we did not get involved. And my mom didn't felt anything. And to her, I mean, she was not into it, so she said, like, you know what, just by come, this guy is asking me to look at this place, gives me 5 minutes and say, okay, you know, things are done, go. What? Who will believe in this? She did not have any experience. But my dad, she had this firework, lightning effect. So he kind of like, ooh, there is something. They started digging more. There was a shivir in my hometown. It was a Diksha Shivir in one of the school. That's where Vishal Guruji in his life was giving, first time he was giving Diksha. So, yeah, Shaktipat Diksha. So that's where my mom got her Diksha from Vishal Guruji 20 years back, probably now. And my dad got Diksha from Vibhakar Dada. But it was, and I got chance to attend one of the session. So with them, and just saying, it was a mass Diksha. Trust me, after Diksha, when Guru goes down, literally, his body becomes so heavy because he has absorbed all of our bad karmas. We literally lifted him. He was lying like a bag. They took them, gave him bath, whatever our process we do to help them clean. So my dad really got that opportunity, and he started getting in touch with senior sadhak, and he started getting into this. On the side note, he really had good experience with the Shaktipat. My mom had some. For me, within that Shivir, I did not had much. But when I went home, so I'm a firstborn in my family, so you know how firstborn are, arrogant, you know, whatever you can think of. That's me. That was me, I'll say. So, yeah, exactly. I mean, we are the special one. I think we think that we have that unicorn one, right? So, I said, at least I used to listen to my parents. For some reason, I was interested in all this occult science. So I sat in meditation first 15 days. All of a sudden, I started noticing that my breath are stopping. As soon as my breath is stopping, something is moving within my body. So, because I was maybe I was in 10th grade, so I was really curious, who is moving me without my, I mean, I'm not moving myself. So it was like left to right, and it was pretty freaky. Tried more. All of a sudden, my vibration went from like within 1 feet to probably the width where I could lose my control. And I'm like, this is something mysterious. So my curiosity started. At one point, what I recall, because it's been a while and I have never experienced that since then after, and I'm still dying to experience that, is that all of a sudden my breath and my vision got aligned. So you know what, we might have heard this, maybe I'm not sure, but that you know what, your body, mind and soul has to get aligned, something like that. I guess I experienced that. With that said, I felt bliss. That blissful experience was such that because I was arrogant, I used to get really annoyed if someone pissed me. All of a sudden, my behavior changed. It lasted for next 15-20 days only. I was always in bliss. Bliss in the sense, literally, I did not have the definition of what is blissfulness. For me, it's happiness, right? Or for me, it's fun. But it was really different. But see, I have a tendency that whatever I experience, definitely everybody, they save it, right? So I kind of saved it. Within 20 days, I was back to my normal life. With education, I forgot doing meditation, blah, blah, blah. But then as I started growing, as I started gaining knowledge, then after I realized what I had experienced. But unfortunately, then by that time I had collected so much garbage that I'm still missing that experience.